Our topic for today is conjunctions, but before I start, I want to recap what you've already learned about some of the naming words, which are nouns and so on. So we'll just go through that. Nouns are what? Naming words. Nouns are naming words. Then adjectives, what do? They describe words. Okay, so they're describing words and actually they describe nouns. So nouns are naming words. They tell us the names of things. Adjectives, they describe nouns. And what do verbs do? They're doing words. Verbs are action words or doing words. And what are adverbs? Modifying words. Adverbs are modifying words. Modifying means giving us more information or telling us or describing. So modifying means describing or giving us more information. Those are adverbs. Alright. So now I'll just tell you some more about this. Nouns are what? They name persons, animals, places and things. So what do nouns do? They name persons, animals, places and things. And what do verbs do? They're action or doing words. Action or doing words. And what are adjectives? They describe nouns. They tell you more about a noun. So, I've already told you that an adjective can be a number, it can be a... So, adjectives describe nouns and you can use words which are like number. Okay, a number can be an adjective. So, if I say 1 or 5, 1 cow, 5 cows, 10 or 25, a number is an adjective. Then I can say O for opinion. I can say a nice cow, a terrible cow, a fearsome cow, a frightening cow. That's your opinion. Some people might say, oh, such a cute cow. So it's your opinion. So number, opinion. Then the size or shape. You can say it is huge, it's tiny. Or you can say it's circular, it's cylindrical, it's triangular. Says shape or size. Then you can say color. Okay, I can say a green board, a black pen. So green, black, there are colors and they also are adjectives. So colors, adjectives, numbers, your opinion, a size, a shape, a color. These are all adjectives. So adjectives, what do adjectives do? They tell you more about things. Nouns. Yeah, about a person, a nice girl. Okay, a huge animal, a beautiful place, a dirty thing. Okay, so these are all adjectives. Now, what do adverbs do? They modify. Modify means what? Modify means to give us more information or to describe. Adjectives, verbs and adverbs. This we did in the last video I took. So you know that adverbs, they tell you more about an adjective. You can say a very nice, very is an adverb. You can say a very nice girl. A very is an adverb. The word nice is an adjective and girl is a noun. So a very nice girl. So it describes an adjective. Or if it is an adjective, an adverb describing a verb. So you can say quietly moving. It is moving. It is talking. So those are talking, moving. Those are verbs. But when I say quietly talking, softly talking, quietly moving, carelessly speaking, those are all adverbs describing verbs. An adverb can describe another adverb as well. For example, when you take a word like very quietly moving. Very is an adverb, quietly is also an adverb, and moving is a verb. So it was very quietly moving towards me. So those are all the things that you have already studied and we are recapping that. Now what we are going to do today is something called conjunctions. I have already told you what a conjunction is in the previous classes. A conjunction, it's easy to remember, is a junction or it is a joining word. A conjunction is like a word that joins words or sentences or phrases and so on. And it is like the junction in a road. You can say that, you know, some roads, there are one road which comes from here, another road which comes from here, and they all meet at a junction. Okay, so a junction joins roads and a conjunction joins words and sentences and so on. So I've written something over here. Oh, what is it? Fan boys. Fan boys. Why have I written it? So it is easy for you to remember some conjunctions. These are not all the conjunctions, there are more, but these are the ones that we use commonly, okay, usually. So for example, for is a conjunction. Actually the meaning of for here is because. Because is also a conjunction. For and because are conjunctions. What is the meaning of for? Just the same as because. For has two meanings. I can use this pen for writing. I can use this pen for writing. That is not the meaning over here. Here for means because. I am using this for it is very useful. Because it is very useful. I am using it for it is useful. What do I mean? Because it is very useful. For has another meaning. It means because. That is a conjunction. So for and because are conjunctions. Then another the A stands for and. Another conjunction is and. He was running. See, I'll just make two sentences. He was running. He saw Peter. He was running. He saw Peter. So, two tiny sentences. We can join the two sentences and make it one sentence by using and. He was running and he saw Peter. Okay, so the word and is joining two sentences. So, conjunctions join sentences. Nor, okay. Nor means, like for example, I don't want apples, I don't want oranges. So, two sentences, we can join that using a conjunction like nor. I want neither apples nor oranges. I don't want apples or oranges. And this is the or. Okay, I don't want apples or. So, or is also a conjunction. I want neither this nor that. I don't want this or that. Okay, so it joins. Then B stands for but. Okay, so he didn't get wet. He didn't get wet. Alright, but it was raining. He didn't get wet. It was raining. He didn't get wet. Two sentences, but I can join it using this conjunction. It was raining, but he didn't get wet. So there are two sentences joined by using the word but. We've already done this. No or yet. Yet actually means like but. Okay. It was raining, yet he didn't get wet. But yet means what? But. Yet means but. Okay. Just like because, it's also a conjunction. Because and for have the same meaning. Yet and but. He was writing very fast. He didn't finish. He was writing very fast. Yet he didn't finish. But he didn't finish. Same meaning. This is so. Okay. So these are the. So I can make it a sentence like this. I was walking very fast. I came early. I was walking very fast, so I came early. Alright. So I came early. Two sentences joined together and made into one because of a conjunction. So what is the work of a conjunction? It is to join sentences and words. And these are the usual common conjunctions that you use. If there are other conjunctions also, if you can remember this, B stands for before, A, although, and even though. Okay, so these are also very common conjunctions. So you can remember fan, boys, and if you remember bat, then it is easy for you to remember conjunctions. So remember that I will be asking you questions on what is a noun, what is a verb, and so on, and what conjunctions are. So make sure that you pay a lot of attention to this video. Thank you.